What's happening, guys? It's Pete with Krietz Customs back here with another beautiful customer build. This is for my buddy. It's getting shipped out to Pennsylvania here in a few seconds. We just want to go over it real fast. So this is a 2025 brand spanking new, literally like 5 miles on it, Bronco Outer Banks. Now with this vehicle, we went ahead and did a full front bumper, fender flare, and rear bumper swap and paint to match on it. So this thing is fully paint to match. We're going to the inside and outside of it real fast. This is a DV8 Front, I forget what the bumper's called, but it is a DV8 Front bumper. It's gonna have, hey. Well, the transporter literally just said that he couldn't take this because it's too large, so that's, why do I feel good about that? So we have the front DV8 OE Plus bumpers from DV8 themselves, as well as the upgraded D-ring shackles. Got two 3-inch cube lights in each of the fog light bezels. And then we come around to the fender flares here. We have beautiful tube fender flares from DV8. These are metal so that you can paint them properly. And then we have 35, 12, 50, 20 Toyo Open Country AT tires. Those are wrapped around a 20 by 12 Fittipaldi Alpha Series wheel. This wheel right here, though, it is a 12 aught. It's not your typical -44 offset. It's actually gonna be a -51, which may be why he couldn't fit it on his transport, but you know, speculations, I don't want to be there. This has a 2.5 rough country lift kit to go alongside its Sasquatch package. It also has standard Bronco running boards. We were able to keep those, which is surprising. Typically, you don't see that we're able to keep these Bronco running boards. We usually have to take them off because of the wheels and tires, but we were actually able to keep them on, which is sick. If we come around to the side here, you can see this entire roof was painted to match the doors and the mirrors, which, by the way, on the Outer Banks, the mirrors always come paint matched, which is really nice. We took those Outer Banks logos off into the vintage Bronco script letters, which is a sweet touch by him. The door handles, we did Oracle rear tinted taillights. These had just came out by Oracle, at least the LED ones did. They had halogen ones. These just came out by Oracle, I believe, 3 weeks ago. They still say they're not out on the site. You can get them though. So these look really good if you step back. And then on the rear badge, we went ahead and paint match that. And this is not from DV8. So we did Fab 4 in the rear and then DV8 in the front. These all have sensor bezels, by the way, just to make sure the sensors are still intact. But this is a Fab 4 bumper. It oddly enough matches really well with the DV8 bumper in the front. You can see that both have this kind of honeycomb grille, which looks phenomenal. Now, coming along to the other side, if we step inside this vehicle, you guys can see this is not just an outside job. So we went ahead and we did an inside job on the vehicle as well. We paint matched the inside of that to the same tan to make sure that you are stepping into a gorgeous truck and you're stepping out and seeing the same paint color, looking at this beautiful vehicle. So this is a sick build overview. I'm very happy to be able to be a part of this. We're really happy to be able to be a part of this. This thing is gonna look absolutely absurd driving down the road. And I can't wait to get it out to them. So if you guys have any ideas similar to this or want to build anything like it, anything greater, anything even simpler, please give us a call here at 301-694-4642, KreitzCustoms.com. You can visit us there as well. Submit your lead and we'll get you guys taken care of. We'll see you in the next one. Want a free set of wheels and tires from Krietz Customs? Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. At 50,000 subscribers at the end of the year, we will be giving away a free set of wheels and tires just like this one. 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter on a 22x12 fuel wheel. You want them? We'll see you at the end of the year. Just smash the subscribe button for me.